everyone, it's Nalanie, and today we are vlogging. I actually meant to start this vlog a lot earlier. I got up pretty early for us typically just to put some makeup on, but today we are at a drift event. They're doing a really awesome fundraiser it's $10 ride-alongs and you're saving the animals. So it's a really awesome fundraiser, and I know you guys know that my boyfriend drifts, but I'm not sure if you know that he pretty much drifts at every single event. So we're always here, we're always out, and typically I don't wear makeup to any of these events because the last time I attempted to put some makeup on, I had pretty much just tire and dirt all over my face and my makeup was melting off. I left the house looking cute, or trying to look cute, and I came back looking like a hot mess. So it's usually not worth me taking my time and putting makeup on. I can be sleeping in that time, but because you guys know I am trying to vlog, I have hair in my mouth. Because I'm trying to vlog more, it's really windy, so if you see me touching my hair constantly, it's just little strands just kind of getting everywhere. But because I am trying to vlog, I do want to put a little more makeup on and, you know, look a little more presentable. But yeah, so we just got to the drift event. We had some breakfast and we're drinking a Red Bull right now. I am exhausted. It is so hot.
How hot it is.
I'm not sure if putting makeup on was a good idea. I think it's going to be a disaster, but we'll see what it looks like by the end of the day. I am wearing pants. I don't know if you can see, but today it's pretty much all classes you can ride along. You don't need to just be a class driver. If you're not familiar with how drift events work, usually if you're an A-class driver and you have a roll cage or, you know, roll bar, then you can ride with a passenger. So we don't have a roll cage, so I can't ride along right now, so I don't have a helmet currently, but if I can find a helmet, I have, you know, a shower cap and a mask and everything, you know, just in case I borrow someone's helmet, I can ride along with my boyfriend. So hopefully I can do that because I think that'd be really cool to vlog and film. I've been in the car with him when he's drifted before, but not at the track, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. But it is so hot.
How hot it is.
Everything is sticking to my face. My hair is probably gonna go up any second now. But yeah, I think I'm going to stop this part of the vlog right now and kind of jump out of the car because it's just stale hot in here. I'm not filming. Hi!
I was trying to interrupt the video, not be a part of it.
Hi, Dustin!
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. Are we vlogging today?
We are attempting to vlog. You're like super blown out. Let me just kind of adjust. There you go.
No matter how
Look at that.
you get, it's a mess. Don't
No,
worry.
I got you. I got you.
Okay.
You're
I
in
don't
good
have all
color
that
now.
flawless makeup like you do. It's the application that makes it. I understand, but
It's gonna melt off so very soon.
I'm melting already.
I feel you.
It's getting through my shirt.
Let me hug you. Should I clip this part out?
Nah, doesn't even matter. I feel like everybody already knows this is like the struggle.
Oh, good lord, that's creepy.
Welcome to Ridealong-O-Rama.
Oh,
I'll bring it back,
I'm
right?
debating if I should put tires on right now or not.
Well,
Thank
do
you.
you have any glasses or anything with you?
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Sunglasses.
Kind of close your eyes. That's all he needs. Yeah. It's like a roller coaster. You just close your eyes a little bit, open it.
Do you want to go put like your thing on and see if it'll fit and everything like that too?
Yes.
I took off all the foam, so you got as much like headroom. I'm not saying your head's big.
It might be. Okay, just to clarify, we just came back from the spectator and drivers meeting, and they said that not C-class drivers can do ride-alongs, it's just B and A class. And our friend John just loaned us his helmet, so we're going to use that for today.
It's good?
just try and leave an opening somewhere so that emergency response can get through, etc.
I think it might be time to replace their front bumper. I'm attempting to vlog today. Say hello.
I got trash in my hand. Let's do that again.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Oh, I can't complain. Hi, honey. We're gonna donate a bunch of money. We're gonna help a whole bunch of animals, and I'm so happy. The turnout tonight was amazing. We had over 70 cars. I don't know how many spectators, at least 500. This has probably been our biggest non-Black Friday or non-spring break event ever.
So I didn't really get a chance to vlog as much. Wait, is this on? Okay. So I didn't really get a chance to vlog as much as I was hoping to because it's so crowded and so packed. It's extremely loud. So everything is kind of slowing up right now. It's about 11:30 and the event ends at 12, so everyone's just kind of packing up and getting ready to leave. We're actually getting ready to do that right now. We're actually swapping the wheels and packing the car and then head home to get food. But you can still hear a lot of noise in the background. I feel like I'm losing my voice right now, so I didn't really want to strain it, and I also feel like I'm getting a little sick right now, so I'm trying to avoid that as best as I can. So I'm just really trying hard not to strain myself. It's so weird when it's weird when you're vlogging and other people are looking at you and you just want to smile. But yeah, like drifting on a track is so much fun. It's so intense. If you ever get a chance to do a ride along, I highly recommend it, especially if you're into stuff like that. So yeah, I've been trying to film this, but it's been so loud and I was just having constant fails after fails. So I may actually just insert some of those issues that I had so you guys can see what I was talking about. If I don't, then it wasn't worth posting. But yeah, we're actually just getting ready to swap the wheels on the car and just pack up the car, head home, get some food, take a shower, relax. I may start just putting together this vlog and just have it up for you guys next week.
What's good? Hello?
Tell people to subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. Like, what the? Can I curse? Oh, what the are you doing? This is V2 Lab. You already know what the going on. We're at OSW.
But it's not B2 Lab's channel, it's mine.
Oh, it's your channel.
Yes.
What's your channel?
Nalanie.
Nalanie? Nalanie.
Yeah.
We're on Nalani's channel. V2 Lab. V2 Lab sucks. I'm just kidding.
How do you mess up her name while you're like, yo, what's your name? Nalanie. Hey, Lonnie.
Did I say it wrong?
Yes.
I've been drinking.
It's fine.
I've been drinking all night.
I hope you enjoyed my very first vlog, and yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.